how to enable or disable View Attribute Inspection on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on Enable View Attribute Inspection. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off View Attribute Inspection. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Now, if you do not have developer options in your settings menu, you will need to go into About Phone and then tap on Software Information and tap on Build Number 7 times. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.